So, itry agad natin to. And yun, it's charging. Hi everyone, so another order received. So, let's open this. I think this is the cord that I ordered para sa charger ko. So, yung head ng charger ko, okay pa kasi siya. So, nag-order ako ng cord lang. Maganda naman yung packaging, guys. Safe siya. Normally sa mga order ko dito sa TikTok, naka-sealed talaga, super sealed yung mga orders ko. Grabe yung balot nila sa bubble wrap. So, kahit yung mismong box is minsan sira, yung item mismo okay na okay. So, this is actually the cord for the iOS. So, I'll check. Hold on, guys. So, I hope fast charging to yung in-order ko for fast charging. This is 1 meter. Yes. So, if you want to order, just visit my TikTok account. Search that video sa aking TikTok account and click the yellow basket. Thank you.